Hey guys, my name is Sid and welcome to another tech video. Traditionally when you think of a gimbal, you think of something like this, which is pretty big, hard to hold, you have to balance it, you gotta put this big camera on there, and it's a bit intimidating. But today I've got my hands on the Dji Osmo Pocket, which is a gimbal that fits in your pocket. I just borrowed this from my friend Don. I'll leave his Instagram in the handle. Don, if you're watching this, thank you for lending this to me because I was really curious to try it out because it seems like it could be an amazing vlogging camera. Now the camera itself fits in this nice little case which you can put in your pocket, and here it is. It's really small, as you can tell. It's the size of my hand. Today I'm actually going to be taking it out for the first time. The starting animation of this thing is pretty cool. Did you guys see that? Yeah, pretty cool, I must say. There are like a couple of things that you really want in a good vlogging camera. One is image quality, of course. It has a pretty impressive sensor inside it, and so far I've seen some of the video quality and it looks amazing. We'll see some more of that later on in this video because I'm going to take this out and show you guys what it can do. But the image quality on this looks pretty good. The other thing that you want is good stabilization, which this has a freaking gimbal inside it. So they've used some of their drone technology, some of their drone gimbal technology, and created this really interesting handheld gimbal device. The third thing that you want is good sound. Now, unfortunately, this camera does not have a mic input into it, but it does have this USB-C at the bottom, and then it has this interesting way in which you can attach it to your phone and use your phone as a viewfinder and also as an input device. It is the first of its kind. I think Dji has created this new category of product, which is pocket-sized gimbals. I don't think anyone's ever made one before. So today I'm going to do my first impressions of this device. I want to spend some more time with it before I can really give you my final review. But since it's so hot and new in the market, I thought I'd make a video about it. So this device shoots in 4K 60 frames a second, which is amazing. It does 120 frames a second slow motion. Lots of features inside this tiny little camera over here. Here I'm recording the video from this camera right now. You can tell what it looks like in pretty low light. I have only one light on over here. Let's quickly put it in selfie mode. So if you tap it thrice, it goes into selfie mode. And then you can use it to vlog, and it like tracks your face automatically. So even though I'm moving the camera around like this, you'll see that it should be keeping a track of my face without really me moving the camera, which is pretty cool. It'll also lock onto the subject and automatically control the camera for you. So lots of interesting features in this tiny camera. Lots of things to test out. So I thought I haven't taken out my electric skateboard in a long time. So today I'm going to take out the electric skateboard. We're going to head to downtown Dubai, test out this camera and see how it does stabilizing on that skateboard. Got my electric skateboard. If you guys haven't seen the video about this, by the way, make sure you do. And of course, safety first. So if you guys are using electric skateboards, make sure you have something like this. All right guys, let's go. Alright guys, the plan is to skate around downtown Dubai and see if I can get any cinematic looking cool shots with the camera. Let's see what this little pocket gimbal can do. I'm here close to the Burj Khalifa. The screen is pretty small, you can't really tell what you're looking at, unfortunately. But I am on my electric skateboard. This is a pretty good test of the stabilization because I don't know if you can tell from my voice, but there's quite a bit of vibration coming in through the wheels. And I think this camera is doing a pretty good job keeping it stable. Whoa! Alright guys, here you can see the beautiful Dubai canals out here in Business Bay. And now I have this really cool whole stretch over here all across the water, completely empty. So I think I'm gonna try and push the board a little bit. Once the face track is on, it's really good, but it's a little hard to get the angle that you want without having it connected to the phone because you don't have a joystick to control the camera with, which I think is a bit of an issue. Like, so as you can tell, I'm trying to point the camera towards the sunset over there behind me, but it's kind of locking onto my face, so no matter how I move the camera, it's kind of stuck on. So I wish this camera had some kind of mount on it, would have really helped out. Right now I'm holding it in my hand, but I wish I had a tripod to hold it with so I could get a little bit more reach, have a little bit wider angle of view. Man, the weather is just perfect in Dubai right now. December time is the best time of the year by far. You know, I've got this jacket on and I'm perfectly comfortable. So I'm really enjoying this triple click selfie function because like I can show the front and then I can just triple click and start talking to the camera, which is awesome. Another really cool thing about this camera is that it's got a mic that faces you as the user. So it's designed to be a vlogging camera. So when you're talking, it's going to pick you up better. I have no idea what the mic sounds like because I haven't actually connected this and seen the footage. But what happened? And I can see myself. There's like a tiny screen over here so I can check the composition and see exactly what kind of image this thing is getting. Pretty cool. Check out those villas over there, man. How gorgeous are they? Imagine living over there. Guys, weirdly enough, this place is literally like 5 minutes from my house. Like I could walk it here, but I never come over here. I never knew we had these amazing boats and sea houses and stuff right on the canal. Because the last time I came here was about a year and a half ago and there was nothing over here. It's amazing how fast Dubai changes. It's pretty incredible. Okay guys, that's the Burj over there. We're getting close to it now and close to downtown. Over here, there's this like winter carnival that they're doing right in front of the Burj. So it looks pretty cool. So let's go in there and try to get some interesting video. But I am enjoying this tracking feature though. That's pretty cool, man. It's like having a cameraman with you. Let's go check it out. You like the camera?
Where do you buy this one, sir?
It's new, it's just come out. I'm reviewing it.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
How are you?
Sorry, I'm just going to take some video if you guys don't mind.
Excuse me. Tissue? You want hot dogs?
Thanks, guys. You never think you're in Dubai if you just looked at that shot. They've managed to do it pretty nicely. They have like a snow park over here. Pretty cool. Hi guys, we're here. I'm gonna try out the pano mode. So we just swipe up over here, hit pano, hit record. Camera does its thing. So this is a quick comparison between the GoPro and the gimbal. I'm sure you're seeing a wider frame of view with the GoPro. This is the GoPro Hero 5. I don't have the 7, so it's not a fair comparison, I know, but just to let you know what it looks like on a GoPro versus something like the Osmo Pocket. And I think the sensor size on the Osmo Pocket is a bit bigger, but the field of view is not as good. Also, the Osmo Pocket should be slightly better in low light. It's got a f2.0 lens. The GoPro, I'm not sure what it is, but it's a, you know, it's an infinite focus lens, so it's going to be a little different. You're probably going to be able to see a little more depth in this camera versus this camera. Also, let's check out the stabilization. I'm doing the same thing with both cameras, and you should be able to see the difference. The gimbal is definitely going to keep it straight, whereas the GoPro is not. Alright guys, that's it for the video. I'm so glad I could take that off. That's it for this DJI Osmo Pocket video. I'm gonna go edit this video right now, so I haven't really looked at the footage, but from what I can tell on the phone, it looks pretty incredible for a camera this size. I'll have more thoughts on it soon. So if you guys like this video, hit that like button, leave me a comment, subscribe to watch more videos like this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.